Hello and welcome back to the Ultimate Facepalm channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different than I've done before on this channel. Today I'm installing a M.2 drive. This guy right here. I'll be installing it on a 370 motherboard, which is an AM4 socket motherboard from about 2 or 3 generations ago. I'm running a 3700X on there too, so stay tuned and I'll show you how to put this M.2 into that computer right there. Alright. You can see where we have my rig here. The M.2 installation area is actually, get something to point at this guy real quick. This guy right here. Right there, that's where you install your M.2. And I have a 2280, so it's coming out to this point right here. So I'm going to install one of these guys into the motherboard. The easiest way I'd probably be able to do this is if I remove the actual GPU. So I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, as you can see, I've lined up the screw here, and you can hand tighten this guy just like so. Just finger tight. You don't want it too tight. So now it's ready to put the M.2 in. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab this guy very carefully. And I'm going to put it in this slot at a 30-degree angle. My hands are shaking. This is the first time I've actually done this. So it goes in at a 30-degree, just like so. And it rests right on that guy right there, just barely touching. It's kind of crazy. Just make sure I got that in there right. Okay. Alright, so now it kind of springs out. You'll know you're in if it keeps that angle, right? So the next step is to take one of these little washers here. Can you see that? Oh, I already messed up. That guy right there. And I'm going to take one of these guys, and I'm going to screw the M.2 on. Goes right in that hole right there. Alright? Alright. That's all there is to it. Just get it in, make sure that's you got that 30-degree angle and that spring, and then you just very carefully put it down on the peg that you've inserted and connect it to your motherboard on the correlating socket spot. And then you just put that bad boy in. So I'm going to install my GPU now, and I'm going to put it all back together. I'm going to boot her up, and then I'm going to take care of the rest of it. But that's it for installing the M.2, and I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope this is helpful. And if you enjoyed the video, if you don't mind giving me a like and maybe a subscription, that'd be awesome. And I hope to see you in the next video. All right, until next time, bye-bye.